Tony, what's going on here? What are you doing?
We're drilling out a lock that was torqued on so heavy, and we're trying to do it without damaging the wheel. On the other three wheels, we were able to get the wheel locks off successfully using that special tool that we have. But on this particular guy, it broke the original key, and then the tool wasn't able to get it. It actually stripped, the tool stripped the inside of the lug bolt. So now our only option is to drill. So we've drilled with a 1/2 inch, with the 10mm carbide on center, and now we're using a 1/2 inch drill to go in. And hopefully, since the diameter of that stud is 12mm, 1/2 inch is actually 12.5. So we should be able to thin everything enough for the head of the bolt to just fall off. That's what we're trying to do. But we also want to be very careful, and we don't want to damage the wheel. So I'm kind of using the drill as a little kind of reamer here to if you could see, I'm thinning out the bolt really good. So you see in there, yep. I'm almost through. I have to just go a little bit deeper, but this should work here soon. See these nice chips that are coming out now.
It seems to be a little blue in color. Why is that?
So when you get the heat, when they get a little hot, they're actually carrying the heat away from the object that you're drilling as well, and away from the tool. There he goes. Watch this. Watch this. Ready? We're almost there. And what does Bugs Bunny say? Viola! Voila, there's the head of the bolt. That's what happens when you drill. I'm going to put this down right over here because I'm sure it's going to be hot. And that's when we drilled off the head. Now I'm going to grab the wheel. I'm going to take the wheel off for you guys. And oh, this thing is on anyway. Holy crap. All right, we're gonna lower this car. And then there was always like this deal that I did, which was like the mule, the donkey kick. And but this thing is on there pretty tight. So let's see what we could do. The donkey kick, man. Ready? Spin it a little bit. And there it is.
No damage to the wheel, Tony?
Wheel's perfect. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks good.
But look how stuck it was. You see all that heat in there, how much they cranked it on, man? See how black it is? 250 plus. Now, if you look here, this is what we have left. And we drilled out the head. I could probably grab that head and show you. Let me reach here. And this is what we drilled off of here. So perfectly executed. We started with a 10mm. Then we went through with a 1/2 inch, which is about 12.6mm. And we got this off safely. And then this guy just comes out. So hope you enjoyed this. For more content like this, be sure to hit that like button, follow, ask questions, share, and we're here for you, man. Thanks for watching.